Adel.
Let's begin.
Okay, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am.
How is everyone? How are you
Fine,
today,
ma'am.
all?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
How are you?
I am also very fine today. I'm feeling so happy today. What's the reason? What's the reason? Any idea? Any guess? Any clues?
On your birthday?
No, something better than that.
Ma'am, Onam?
Exactly. More than Onam, we are going to commence Onam vacation. Are you happy for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you're going to get some free days and you're going to rock.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? All right. Tell me, what are your plans for the vacation? Who's going to say first? Anna. Talk. Are you planning to go somewhere today, this week, this vacation, on a vacation?
No, ma'am.
No. Then, Kanishk, do you have any plan to go this vacation?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Nobody's going anywhere. Why?
Corona. Corona, ma'am.
Corona. That's right. Okay, that's a good attitude that you're not going anywhere, but I'm going somewhere this vacation.
Then
To some forest. I'm planning to spend my vacation in a forest at least for 4 days. Okay? 4 days in a forest. That's what I'm thinking. If any lion or any other tiger or cheetah is eaten me, then I'll not come back.
Ma'am,
Is
buy
there-
a gun for rent.
Sorry?
Ma'am, buy a gun for rent.
Gun. Okay. See, there is no use if I need to learn to shoot at them, right? I need to learn it. If I don't
Ma'am,
know,
small gun.
interesting. Anyway, I think I'll be safe, and then hopefully I'll come back. If I'm coming back, I'll teach you again. All right.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Do you want me to come back or not? Tell me that honestly.
Come back.
You should come back.
Ma'am, you should come back.
I should come back, huh?
Ma'am,
Very
you
good.
should
Very
come back.
Okay. Thank you so much for this kindness and love. All right. So,
Ma'am.
I'm going to start the session today. Just unlearn and learn. Okay, unlearn first. Forget everything that we learned in this class so far till the date. We will learn from the beginning. Okay?
Okay.
But I need your help in some way. You can see that today's attendance is only 14, including me, there is only 15 participants. How many students are there in your class now? 35?
41. 41.
41. See, even less than half. So,
No, man, 30 something. So, one or three people went.
okay, 30 something. Okay. Anyway, it might be 38 or 39. All right. So, can you do one thing? You choose any of your friends who does not attend this class. Okay? Who do not attend this class at all, you choose one. Everybody should choose one or two. Then you teach what you learned. You teach them what you learned. Is it possible for you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Otherwise, when someday the school reopens, we will be conducting tests and all, you will get good marks and they will not get. That's sad, right? And when you people grow up, your English will be excellent and you will be placed in a very good companies with a very huge salary, okay, very fast, and they will be behind you. Isn't it sad? Okay, you got to help them if possible. You choose your best friend who is not in the class today.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, your video stuck, ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am, your video stuck.
Do you know what is PF? Do you know what is PF? Huh? Power failure. Okay. And now, whenever there is a power failure, I'll be saying the short forms only. PF. That's it. Okay.
Failure.
Power failure.
Okay.
This is continuously happening from the beginning today, so it's quite irritating. I was telling you unlearn and learn, and you will be teaching. Don't chat during the class, okay? Namasya. Namasya. Don't chat during the class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. You will help your friends, that's it. You should. And you have to tell me which friend you are going to help. You choose now. By the end of the session, you will tell me who you are going to choose. Okay, that's it. So, I have written 3 sets of symbols here. Okay, you're now going to copy this to your notebook. Then I'll teach you how to articulate it. One more set I'm going to write here is I forgot.
Ma'am, we had to write this.
Yes, dear, you have to write it.
Ma'am, over.
Over. Good. Just wait for some few seconds. Let others wait.
Ma'am, finish.
Good. Did everyone finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Emil?
Yes, ma'am.
Was it fine? Okay, you got enough time?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, perfect, perfect. So the first sound, now you look at your notebook. The first sound in the first set is a long vowel sound. You can write description in your own way in the notebook to remember it. The one which is a long vowel sound, it is articulated as E. E. Second one in the first set is a short vowel sound. E. 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 Got it? So I'm going to say first and second now together in the first set. E. E. I'll repeat. E. E. I'll repeat again.
E.
E. E. That's it. You knew this now? You remember it? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Everyone remember it?
Yes,
The problem in this class is, some students come some week and others, they come in sometimes only. So those who don't know, now learn it. Now use this time. I'm going to second set. That's also a long and short vowels. First one, long vowel sound. Ooh. Ooh. That is the second one. First one, ooh. Ooh. Anna. All right. So can you say the second set, first and second vowel sounds?
E, 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 O,
Okay, okay. Good. Next is something different. Do you know those sounds? Seriously?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say it if those who know? Yes, Sita.
Which looks like E is A.
Okay. Second one?
The second one, which is ulta pulta E, it is A.
Very good.
And then the other one, which is like 3 and a dot at the side, it is
Okay.
and then another one with C and the dot at the side is it's O.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all of the.
I like that way of presentation, ulta putta. Where were you? Where did you study?
I studied in Indian Academy, Dubai first, then I came here and I studied here.
You're studying here. Since when? Since when you are here?
I'm studying since 4th standard.
Good. Nice meeting you. All right. So I'll explain all the sounds. So let me know who others knows it. Geetika, could you just remember or recognize these symbols? Okay. The first one, the third set, first, second, third. That's only you say.
A,
Yes. Okay.
A,
Perfect. Good one.
O,
Yes.
O.
Wonderful. Ananya, are you there? She's not there. Emil, make it please.
A,
Yes. Yes.
A,
Say it again.
O,
Mhm. Okay.
O,
Yes.
O.
Perfect. Arjun. Yep.
And the third one?
Yeah, third set and the fourth set only. First one is A. Second one? Third one? Okay. So we will now learn one to one. Okay, Arjun, I'm going to teach you one to one. It is the first one, A. I will continuously say the third three sounds. A, say it like that. Once again. So when we learn something new, you have to do it in a way you touch each sound. If you don't recognize the sound, that is a problem. You know the sounds, everyone, but you have a confusion in between, right? So you have to touch every symbol and say, okay, you should touch a, like that. Make a brain and body coordination. Yeah, now, say it now, please. Okay, okay. Can you say it now 3 times more? Okay, okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Perfect. This is how I hope everyone has seen the way I have trained Arjun. If there is any confusion like this, you never learn only one sound. You just make a set of sounds, set of symbols, then learn in a comparative way. Okay, then only it will come to you, it will be fed in your brain. And also when you are training, you are learning, you have to touch each sound, each symbol, then make the sound. All right, clear? Good. Kanishk,
Can you hear me?
yes?
Ma'am, which
Third set and the fourth set.
A,
Okay,
A,
okay.
A,
Uh,
A,
next one,
O,
next. Perfect. Good one. Thank you, Kanishk. Tell me who you're going to select to support who is absent today. Choose one, I'll come back to you. Risa, tell me who you're going to select today.
I'm gonna select Ananya K because as he's not in the class because
Okay.
she's my bestie, and then so I'm
Okay.
choosing her.
Ananya. All right. So you know the method to teach her now, right? You just write these symbols in a book and call her in a video call. Okay. And just show her every symbol. Ask her to articulate those sounds. Tell them the techniques of lip movements whenever it is required and let them repeat the sound. That's how. Everybody. All right. Good one.
Okay, ma'am.
Namaste.
Yes, ma'am.
Make the sounds, please. Fourth and 1, 2, 3. Third and fourth set.
A,
Yeah.
A,
Yes.
A,
Perfect. Next one. Next set.
O,
Yes.
O.
Good one. Excellent. Yes, Namasya. Who you have chosen to teach and support?
Ma'am, Sravana.
Shravana. All right. Perfect. Okay. Thank you so much. Kanishk, have you decided something? Who is that? Louder, please.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Okay, you select one, okay? It's your responsibility.
Ma'am, I didn't.
I'll come back to you. Yes, Ashish.
Ma'am, is Adul?
Sorry?
Ma'am, is Adul in this meeting?
Adul not in this meeting.
So can I teach him?
Of course, yes, my dear. I will be really happy. Okay, that's a good attitude.
Anandakrishnan.
Sorry, Ananda Krishnan. Good one, Kanishk. Excellent. Emil, who is going to be your bestie to teach?
Ma'am,
Uh-huh.
Anandakrishnan.
Ananda Krishnan is chosen already by Kanishk, right? Yes.
Ma'am, I only first to decide at the starting of the class.
Is it so? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then fine. Emil, you take Ananda Krishnan. I'll ask Kanish to choose somebody else.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Okay, Ashish, now you can articulate the sounds you're seeing there. The third set and the fourth set.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, very much.
A,
Yes. Next one.
fourth set, right?
Yes.
O,
Yes.
O.
Wonderful. Okay. Thank you very much. I'm now coming to Geetika Manoj.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, start. Third and fourth.
O.
I didn't hear the first one in the third set.
A.
Okay,
A.
okay.
A.
Yes,
O.
yes.
O.
Great, my dear. Who is your student?
Amaya.
Ameya. Perfect. Thank you. And I couldn't ask Arjun to see who will be his learner. Who you're going to teach, Arjun?
Ma'am Vinayak.
Vinayak. Okay. So learn in the same way and teach in the same way. Thank you very much. Anna, did you participate, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then I'm going to call Devaganga. Devaganga and Harriet and Xavier, turn on your cameras and please start speaking. Namasya, okay, you came. Namasya, who you are going to teach? I forgot to ask you.
Ma'am, you asked Shravana.
Okay, Shravana. You told me. Harriet is having some connection issues. Can you hear me, Harriet? Could you please drop your reply? Well, Devaganga is now visible. Yes, Devaganga. Can you speak? Okay, fine. Somebody is sitting there. Malavika Bini, I didn't find you. Are you in a strong connection? Are you in a strong connection? Well, I couldn't test 3 of them. So can I request Risa to test them 3? Malavika, Devaganga, and Harriet in all these sounds which we learned. Okay, it is E, E, U, U, and E, the last one, O, O. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right, that's it. Thank you.
Ma'am, I
very
have a
much.
doubt.
Yes, dear, tell me.
Ma'am, I recognize these words by using words for the ulta pulta E, America and stuff. So,
Okay.
but I have a doubt like for the
Ah,
yeah, the ulta pulta E, right? So for that, America is suitable because the starting letter which is A makes the sound of this letter. So that's why I have a doubt. Can I put America as my word?
yeah. America can be written as I didn't get your question completely, but I can tell you how we can write America. Okay.
Ma'am, I asked that like I use words to know these letters. So I'll just show you something. Just a second.
All right. Okay. Could you just pull it back? Okay. Men.
Like the E
America.
center line for men and like that. So can I use America for the ulta pulta?
Yeah. It's completely okay, but I would suggest you to use the word away. I
Away.
will
Okay.
away and ago, etc.
Okay, ma'am.
These are the perfect words that is suitable for that particular sound. All right.
Ma'am, about also, right? About.
About is also there. Good one. About. away. So whenever I'm teaching my
Above.
students, when they don't get this sound properly, I will ask them to say some words starting with that sound. Then you independently say that sound, because away, away, ago, about, then it will come very, very naturally without any effort. Otherwise, we'll have to think. Applying this sound in a word is pretty easier than saying this isolated. All right, good tip for the day. And I wish you all a very happy Onam. Okay?
Happy Onam, ma'am.
Happy Onam, ma'am. Same
Yeah.
to you.
Enjoy well. Come back with good stories to tell me and good stories of teaching experiences to your friends also. Bye bye.
Be careful, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.